Instagram advertising is available within the app to all business accounts. You can use this advertising called boosted posts to increase awareness at your pub, promotions, and events. The boosted post tool means that you can pay for your post to reach your desired target audience. Your pub's logo and the content of your post is turned into an advert which is shown to more people. It's a great way of getting your message out cheaply, with most boosted post campaigns costing between £20 to £50. You set your budget and your duration, so you pay what you want and you can switch your adverts off at any time. Instagram promoted posts are posts which you have already published, which you pay to appear in more news feeds. The posts look exactly the same as on your own profile, apart from they include the word sponsored underneath the name of the pub. So you could use promoted posts to promote some specific offers you have, to generate bookings, or to drive more event ticket sales. You can target your promoted posts to reach specific users based on their age, location, and their interests. You can also advertise on Instagram via the Meta Advertising Manager, but this is actually a more simplified way of doing it through the Instagram app. It is slightly more limited though, so you get fewer options available. But if you're new to advertising, this is actually a great way in. Start by going to a post that has already gone live on your Instagram feed. And underneath that post, you'll see a Boost Post button. This opens up the Boost Post wizard that allows you to easily set up an ad. Select a goal such as driving more profile visits or driving more web traffic, and then create a new audience. You can give your audience a name, which means you can save it for later. Then put in your location. This should start to come up on the map. You can even use your phone's location exactly to pinpoint where you are on a map right now. And choose a relevant radius. Then start putting in some interests. So pub, dining out, restaurants, nightlife, foodie, they're all relevant interests that you could use. You could go down the route of particular types of spirits, cocktails. You could choose specific dishes, maybe sports teams. It really depends on the post which you've chosen to use as an ad. And then define your age and gender of your audience. Once you're happy with that audience size, click Save, and next you will choose your budget. Something around £5 a day is a good budget to start with, and that should give you a good amount of reach for your ad. You would then add payment details such as a credit card and click Boost Post. Once you've boosted a post, you'll be able to view the live insights on that post. Click View Insights underneath, and here you will find out a little bit more about how your post performed in terms of its impressions, that's views, and how many of them came from your promotion, whether you got some more followers from your ad, and also what kind of audience saw the ad as well. There are a number of best practices to follow when it comes to using boosted posts on Instagram. First, limit the text in your images if you know you're going to boost a post. Pictures of people do really well. Don't boost your post for more than a week, otherwise your ad becomes a little bit old and people get tired of seeing it. You can cancel your promotion at any time, and don't forget to assess the results as well. These will be available within the app itself underneath the post, or you can find these in your Insights section of the Meta Business Suite. If you want more help, there is help buttons along the way when you're setting up your boosted posts. But if you haven't done this before, then it's a good idea to start testing out just what kind of results you can get by boosting a post for say £20 to £30.